Дроу. Слышь, смотри. Я убежала.
No ja wracam. Nere?
Let's get a move on.
Hawk? So good so far, boys! Fucking nice, dude. Wow! Easy.
Wait.
Monkey Carriage team sevmişti. Ингэж гарах хэрэгтэй юм шиг. Чи аавна гэж байгаа юм уу?
They can't stop me.
The battle begins.
No, mate.
Рунин скамцаа nice. Айлын зүгээр what гэж хэлсэн баг.
Trouble. Here I come.
GG юм аа. Яасан юу ч. Ямар мод эмичтэй би чингүүтэй авдгаа нат сэний крипик.
It's not. I can heal you.
Шаардных нь юу блокчлаасаа. Одоо ингэ өгөхгүй шүү дээ. Шаардных нь дэмжиг блоклцсон. Easy.
I'll go.
Very nice. You can kill him also. I've stunned soon.
They won't know what hit them.
I had a boot stun. Was silence touch? Do you have grave or something?
Time to make something happen. What's the opposite of regicide?
Авалида. Сэ silence touch өгөл хоёулыг нь алчихсан.
Your league. Дроу. Слышь, смотри. Я убежала.
Но я врацтай юм. Нэрэ.
Let's get a move on.
The enemy's bottom tower.
Hawk. So good so far, boys. Fucking nice, dude. Wow. Easy.
Wait.
Your middle tower
Go fight
is
mid.
under attack. Your middle tower has fallen to position.
I go for
Roshan.
Fight them.
Time to move. Let's get a move.
Tap, 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 tap.
I have observer here. Nothing.
Айл нэг зогсож чадхаас ер нь л өнгөрцөө одоо ингэж.
They can't stop me.
Just fuck them.
Stop farming, just wait, stop farming. Stop farming, stop farming.
I have 20 sticks. I don't care. Айл одоо өөртөө god болцсон гэж бодоод байгаа юм. God нэмчих чи.
You should have stayed.
Yeah, we can get him as well.
My journey forth.
Юу игээд энэ дөрөв вандаа. Nice.
Using courier now.
What? Oh, second time, dude. It's fucking second time.
Oh man, dude.
Dire structure.
Fuck, хоёр удаа миний авчихсан гэр хэлчихлээ. Санийх бүр амар ашигтай. Миний хийлийг боловчлаа.
Tower is under attack.
Goes out his body.
Дөрөв ванд юу игээд байна? Fuck. Rush.
Lycan's got one.
Миний маныг ингэж хулгайлахгүй. Дэнди god бай. Nice. Double stack. Тэ дарсан дээр юу? Харин аа.
Is under attack. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
I'm halberd. I'm not dying with this. Just focus on Rax, guys. They can't do shit. If we don't fuck up.
I don't have any.
Just hit the Rax, guys. Gravy?
The enemy's bottom tower.
When I'm ready, I'm ready.
No mana.
Надтай байлцдаг болоос эднэр.
Kill me.
Okay, don't be a reason.
Стан гарцсан бол. Яагаад буццгаач юу?
Ah, man.
Yeah. Not so fast.
Roll board.
Do you know who I am?
I think I want that.
Roll coming. Roll here.
Let's get a move on.
They wasted curse, guys. No winter's curse.
Did he top?
You see draw here.
Fan of it.
I've stun.
Stun him. Dude, I say stun him.
He's
Oh,
moving,
just back
man.
now. Now just back.
They ward here.
Just use stun.
They ward here. Fucking snake and Niaran.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Save yourself.
Your top tower is under attack.
Dandy god. Fuck! Блядь. Сэзгэр яахгүй тий станцчтай гэж.
Is under attack. Your top tower has fallen.
Манайха яага байлтай тий.
I'll go with you.
Just
Taking the high ground.
Alright. Нэг жингүүгээр бол хийчих байх. За.
The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
Drove you хийчихсэн. What the fuck? Wow, he actually bugged though actually.
From here to there.
Die, you fucking task shit.
Let's get a move on.
Fuck, Snick нонцчлаа. Би анзаарсан үсэ. Харин манай.
The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Time to pick a fight.
Alright, go top, go top. Then they got you again.
See everything up here.
Triple kill. Ultra rampage, please.
I can feel it.
What? Great bitch!
Boys, you have a great?
Yeah, he has great. Hui. Oh my god.
Can you wait for the side?
Яг ч таасалтай байдаг вэ.
Okay, no other than now.
Protection guys. Одоо дараагийн снэк нь болтох бол. Ингэж татахгүй хамаг мана өрөө.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Ямар юм те. Абадон нөхцөн. Winter тэнцэх надад алдчихсан чинь. Fuck him I.
Oh, you cancel my one.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Oh fuck яач вэ? Holy shit. Это дэнд үдэлцээ. Come on. Come on. Миний за guys. Шүтэж явдаг хүнээ хажижээ. Easy. Капа. Alright. Амьд домгийг хожсон капа.
The enemy's top. Dire victory.
Дэнд коммент хийнэ. Let's comment my IRL guys.